Now here we have to draw isometric view of a cylinder with given conditions, and here the conditions are draw the isometric view of a cylinder of base 40 mm diameter and 60 mm height when it rests with its base on HP. So the cylinder is resting on its base on HP. So in that case we have to draw isometric view of that cylinder. So to draw isometric view of the cylinder in the given conditions, we require orthographic views of the cylinder, that is front view and top view. So we know in the top view will get circle and the front view will get rectangle. So first of all, let us draw the front view, top view and front view of the circle here. So draw the circle with given dimensions. So that is 40 mm diameter is given. So with that, draw the circle, and here after that we have to draw front view. So to draw the front view, we will take a reference line, and also we'll draw projection lines here. We'll draw projection lines to draw the front view. So these are the projection lines. So and from here we'll draw, and this weight is 60, right? And this weight is 40, and directly from here to here we'll join. And if you want to represent the axis line, you can represent the axis line also. And if this is not looking like axis line, we'll make it as axis line. So yes, and in the top view also you can represent the axis line. So anyway, and here to construct the isometric view, we have to inscribe the circle top view, that is circle, in a square here. So we'll draw square to inscribe this circle. Yes, we have to draw this rectangle here. Sorry, square means we are inscribing this circle in the square. So we know directly we can type here 40, and this way it is once again 40, and we can join this point and this point. So without inscribing also we can draw, means we'll develop a circle in the isometric view. For that we require this center points. So anyway, we draw the isometric view of first of all this square, and after that we will draw the circle in isometric view. So we know 40 this, and dimensions of a square 40 40 40, and directly you can join this point. And here now we have to draw the circle in this square. So we'll follow the procedure, means drawing of a circle in iso top plane here. So we have to draw lines from. So here we are following the procedure from this corner to this opposite midpoint, this we have to join, and in the same way from this corner to this midpoint we have to join. And so this is a procedure for drawing a isometric view of circle in iso top plane. From opposite corner to the this center we have to join, and again from same corner to the this center we have to join. Like this we got. So we can name points also A, B, C, D, like A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, I, like that we can name points also. And here we'll draw the arcs such that all arcs will represent circle. So here, so I'm telling the procedure here. In the isometric view, can for drawing the circle, the isotop plane. So here, so we have to draw arc. So for that, first of all, suppose if you are drawing arc here, so this will be the center, and from here to here, we have to draw arc. Yes. Next, the same way, we have to draw arc here also. So for that, once again, from this as center and this as radius, from here to here as radius. So this point and this point we have to join, and like in the same way, this as center and this point as radius, this point and this point as radius. So now here we have to draw arc here also. So for that, selecting this arc, so we know means we'll keep here the center and this point and this point will join here. So like that we'll draw arc there and next we have to draw arc here also. So this is the center we know, and we'll join this point to this point. Sorry. So this is the center and this point and this point we have to draw. So like this, we'll draw isometric view of a circle in the isotop plane, and also we have to draw vertical lines now to get one more base. So we know, suppose if you assume this as a bottom base, so we'll get one more base for the cylinder. So for that we have to draw vertical lines from all these points. We know height is given 60, so we'll draw 60 mm lines here. So from every point we'll draw 60 mm lines. From every corner point of the square. So from every corner point of square we'll draw vertical lines of 60 height. Next we have to join this all points here, corner points of this square, or otherwise we can just directly draw 40 mm lines here, and here you can join here, and from here to here you can join, and from here to here you can join. And after that, once again you have to follow the procedure to draw this isometric view of a circle. So we know the process from this point to this point will join, and also from the same corner to the midpoint of opposite line, and we'll repeat the procedure here from here to midpoint of this, and from here to midpoint of this. So the same procedure we have followed, and here also we have to draw the isometric view of circle in this plane. So for this, suppose this is the center we'll take, and this point and this point we'll take here. So like that we'll draw arc, and also we'll have to draw arc in here also. So for that same procedure, this is the center, and we'll draw this point and this point here, sorry. So we'll follow the procedure. So this is the center point for arc, and this point and this point we have to join. So like that we'll continue the procedure. So here this is the center, and this point and this point will join here. So I'll follow the same procedure here. Take arc, and this is the center, and this point and this point we will join, yes, like this. And also we'll follow the same procedure here also. This is the center, and this point, and so for the arc this will be the center, and this point and this point will join. So this is the way we'll draw isometric way of circles in the bottom base and top base. Now we have to just join these two circles in the isometric view by common tangent lines. So for that just we have to draw common tangent to this one and this one, this circle. So for that just we'll take a line and we'll go for tangent we require here. So from this circle to, once again same, shift plus right click you will get in the AutoCAD, and the normal drawing sheet will draw the directly tangent to the two curves here or two circles. In the same way here once again from this to so like this we will join these two circles in the isometric which we have drawn in the isometric view by common tangent lines, such that we will get the shape of isometric view of cylinder. So here if you want to darken, you can darken here. So which are the required things here? Suppose here this one, this one, this one, this one, and the circle. So these should be like dark, means those are visible in the front view, top view, and suppose here also this one, and these things. So like this here, which are the required things, will darken here. So this is the way to draw the isometric view of cylinder which is resting on HP on its base. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.